Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 306. What's missing with modern lists? In our tip number 304, we looked at the features provided by the new modern lists in Power Pages. However, there are some features of classic lists that aren't yet supported with modern lists. Let's see what those are. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. In addition to the new features like shimmer loading, infinite scrolling, column header filtering, and advanced styling, modern lists also support standard list functionality such as multiple views, action buttons, and renaming columns. Now, before we get into what's missing, I want to say that modern lists are still in preview, so hopefully some of these gaps will be filled when they become generally available. The first major area that isn't supported with modern lists are the metadata filters we covered in tips 251 to 254. This allows you to add an area above or beside the list where the users can apply filters. While it is true that modern lists have filtering in the column headers, the metadata filters do provide advanced filtering not possible in modern lists. The other major area that isn't supported is the JavaScript loaded event. For classic lists, this event fires for each page of new data in the list. This event makes it possible to modify the table based on custom requirements. This event is helpful because we need the ability to run our JavaScript each time the data in the table is updated. Modern lists have the infinite scrolling, and there is no documented JavaScript event that fires to tell you that new rows of data have been added to the table. Without this, adding custom JavaScript to the list is difficult. Again, modern lists are still in preview, so hopefully we'll see these areas covered in future releases. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 306 on what's missing with modern lists useful.